Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto C Plus, and today I'll show you how to wipe cache partition on the device. So to get started, you want to hold power key and then select power off. Wait for the device to shut off, and once it has, you want to then hold power key and volume down. So about now, power key, volume down, both of them at the same time. And from here, we're now in the boot mode, so you want to use volume down to navigate. So, and select the first option, which is recovery mode, and press volume up. Give it a moment. And then you should see, well, the Android with no command, so hold power key and press volume up once, and we're now in the recovery mode. From here again, use volume keys to navigate, but this time you can actually use both of the keys to also go up instead of just one direction. And you want to select wipe cache partition like so, and then confirm it with the power key. So press power, begins the process, it's fairly quick. The last thing you should see on the bottom is wipe cache complete, and reboot system now will be selected by default, so all you really need to do is press power key once more to reboot the device. Now once the device turns back on, the process will be fully finished, so you can start using your device again. As you can see, it's back on. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.